Welcome everybody. Today we are going to discuss healthy diet recipes lifestyle. Lisa, do you have any good recipes for weight loss for us?
Yes sir, I have at least 6 simple weight loss recipes for healthy meal basics. 1. How black beans help in a black bean recipe. 2. How oats help in oat recipe. 3. How avocados help in an avocado recipe. 4. How salmon helps in a salmon recipe. 5. How eating the right foods helps those pounds melt away.
Thank you very much, Lisa. I have to add this, when I say the words eating healthy, does your mind turn to images of limp vegetables, tasteless protein bars, or celery sticks and water? A lot of us do have that image in our minds, but it really doesn't have to be that way.
Thanks sir, eating to lose weight really can mean enjoying tasty food and losing weight at the same time. Granted, this kind of cooking is not as easy as going through the drive-thru at your favorite fast food restaurant. A little bit of work is involved. But it's well worth the effort to know that you're eating the right foods for your body to ensure your long-term health. And fitting into those blue jeans from a few years ago is definitely a reward. Eating healthy doesn't have to be hard. All it takes is a little bit of retraining about which foods to buy and how to prepare them. Simple weight loss recipes will show you the basics that you need to know to get started preparing tasty, simple, and healthy meals. Here's a little bit of what you'll learn: the basics of a healthy meal, the versatile black bean, the power of oats, the wonders of the avocado, the healing power of salmon, and tasty recipes for each of these. Eating right doesn't have to mean boring food. Get your copy of Simple Weight Loss Recipes and discover how you can begin to lose weight while enjoying tastier food than you ever thought possible.
Wow, Lisa. That is very good. Since we don't have enough time for you to cook for us now, how can we get these wonderful recipes?
Thanks again sir, I wrote a book about this based on my own experience fighting extra pounds. You can get the recipes at www.healthdiet.club/weight-loss-recipes.
Thanks everyone for attending this meeting. Make sure you visit www.healthdiet.club for more healthy diet books and videos. Health Diet Recipes Club Instant Download Bookstore. Healthy Lifestyle is the latest website with top quality diet recipes. Thanks again, see you next time. Well done, Lisa.
Thank you sir.